In this video I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide Instagram message notifications. So there are two ways to do it. First way is to open up your Instagram, go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy, and then click on notification. And from here you can pause everything for 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours or 8 hours. Or you can just set up like a quiet mode and basically play around with these settings. And the other thing is how you can do it is that you go to settings, then you go to your notifications right over here, and then find Instagram. And you can turn it off completely like so. Or for example, if you just want to play around with specific options, with sounds, banners, banner style and etc. But if you don't want it to show the message you have received, go to show previews and click on never. That means that whether your iPhone or Android phone is locked on unlock, if it's in like this screen thingy, Instagram just won't show the preview of the message. You actually have to go to Instagram to see it, and that's basically how you do it. So if this video helped you out, subscribe, like and leave a comment, something like this video helped me out. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was your issue and I will do my best to sort it out for you.